Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah. All praise is due to Allah, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Brothers and sisters, welcome. In this course, we will explain the Quranic primer step by step. It is a very easy and practical method for learning how to read the Quran, and thousands have benefited from it, walhamdulillah. We will learn the letters and the basic rules of reading in a simple way. Then we will read together the examples and repeat until the reading becomes easy. Let us remember the words of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam: the best among you are those who learn the Quran and teach it. With Allah's help, let us begin. The Arabic alphabet consists of 28 letters, and each letter has its own name. All Arabic letters are consonants. However, the Arabic language also contains 3 vowel sounds, which are not part of the alphabet. In the Arabic language, there are certain letters whose pronunciation is deeper and more emphatic. This type of pronunciation does not exist in the English language. Therefore, we refer to these letters as heavy letters. The proper pronunciation of these letters must be learned from a qualified teacher or a knowledgeable person. Unlike English, Arabic is read from right to left. The Arabic language does not have capital and lowercase letters. Letters are always written in the same form. Generally, Arabic letters within the same word are connected to one another, except for 6 letters which can only be connected to the letter that precedes them. Please bear in mind that Allah, the Almighty, grants 10 rewards for each letter of the Quran that we read. Let's begin with Arabic vowel sounds. The Arabic language consists of 28 letters, all of which are consonants. In addition, Arabic contains 3 vowel sounds which are fatha, read as a, dhamma, read as u, and kasra, read as e. To better understand these vowel sounds, we will practice them using the letter ba. The letter ba in Arabic is written as follows. When the letter ba is accompanied by any of the above-mentioned vowel sounds, it is pronounced as follows. Ba and fatha, ba. Ba and dhamma, bu. Ba and kasra, bi. Examples: ba, bu, bi. Bi, bu, ba. And now read the following examples. Bu, ba, bi. Bi, ba, bu. Ba, bu, bi. Ba, bu, ba. Bi, ba, ba. Bi, bu, bi. Bi, ba, bi, ba, bu, bu, and ba, bi, ba. Remember, fatha can sound slightly different depending on the letter. In most cases, fatha sounds like a in cat, a. With heavy letters, it becomes deeper and stronger, often closer to a in father. As mentioned earlier, Arabic letters within the same word are generally connected to one another, except for 6 letters which can only be connected to the letter that precedes them.